Hello students, let us read this question. Examine whether the following are polygons. If any one of among them is not, say why. So in this question we have given four figures and we have to identify which among them is a polygon. And if one figure is not a polygon, we need to specify the reason that why it is not a polygon. So let us first understand the conditions that are required for a figure to be called as a polygon. So we can write that a polygon is it should satisfy three conditions. Then it should be a simple, that means does not cross itself. So the figure should not cross itself. Then second should be it should be a close. So we can say that has no open ends. So the figure should not have any open ends. And we can say that the third condition is it should made up of line segments. If any figure follows these three conditions, all these three conditions, then we can say that this figure is a polygon. Now let us consider the first diagram. So first figure is something like this. So we can see that it is not a polygon because this figure is not closed. That means it has open ends. So we can say that it is not a closed figure. So therefore we can say that therefore it is not a polygon. Now let us consider the second figure. So second figure is something like this. So let us draw second figure. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we can see that it satisfies all the three conditions for to being a polygon. So it does not cross itself. Then it is a closed figure and it is made up of line segment. If we count, it is made up of total 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it is made up of total 6 line segment. So therefore we can say that it is a 6-sided polygon, as it satisfies all the three conditions of polygon. So therefore we can say that it is a polygon, and since it has 6 sides, we said it is a 6-sided polygon. Now let us consider the next figure. So next figure is a circle. So figure C is a circle. So we can see that it satisfies the first condition, that it does not cross itself. It also satisfies the second condition, that it is a closed figure, but it does not satisfy the third condition, that it is not made up of line segment. So we can write here it does not made up of line segments. So therefore we can say that it is not a polygon. Now let us consider the last figure. So last figure is a cone. So we can see that it satisfies the first condition, that it does not cross itself. Then it also satisfies the second condition, that it is a closed figure, but does not satisfy the third condition, that it does not made up of line segment. So we can write here does not made up of line segments. So we can see that the lower part is not made up of line segments. So therefore it is not a polygon. So in this question, we have used the concept and or the definition of polygon to understand whether the given figure is a polygon or not. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.